Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut Security Pro 4.7.4. In this lab, Maggie Brown and Corley Flynn have recently been hired in the Human Resources Department. You have already created their user account. In this lab, your task is to add the HR group as a secondary group for the M. Brown and C. Flynn user account. When finished, view the /etc/group file or use the groups command to verify the changes. So we'll go to terminal. From terminal, I want to type in user mode space -g space HR space M Brown. Then you press enter. Then you type in user mode space G space HR space C Flynn. Then we're going to type in group space M Brown. Press enter. Then type in group space C Flynn. Space HR, press enter. So let's go ahead and see how we do. Everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can reach me through my email and join my professional membership to have access to my other labs that are not available here. Thank you.